Hello, today I'm going to talk about the benefits of sleep habits. Sleep is very important for physical and mental health. Healthy and your sleep help feel better, uh, have more energy, and perform better during the day. First is to sleep and wake on the same time every day. Having a regular sleep helps your body can win in the time to rest. It's also important to have enjoy sleep every night. Turning out when around 8 to 10 hour sleeps. Second, avoid using your phone, computer, or the current rig before going to bed. The like from screen can hide to fill outlets. In them you can read a book, limits them to relaxing music, or simply relax before going to sleep. Um, three, make your brain comfortable, clear dark, comfort everywhere and can help you sleep better. Only if you're drinking too many caffeine drips, especially afternoon or at night, Google have nine benefits, incoming your concentration, memory modes, and energy also helps your body recover and prepare itself just this night. We sleep, we can better feel more possible and have a better performance at school and all daily activity to make sleep take our body.